Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Alright, welcome back. So in this problem, we've got two buildings here. My buildings look more like small walls, I guess. Maybe they're these giant skyscrapers. Anyways, you're looking out from the top of this building, and it forms an angle of, if you're looking to the top of this building right here, your line of sight forms an angle of 21 degrees with the horizontal. If you look towards the base of the building, it forms an angle of 52 degrees. Alright, so we want to find out how many times is this larger building. I'll color it blue. There we go. How many times larger is the blue building than the green building? Alright, so to solve this problem, I don't know about you, but when I first looked at this problem, my eyes kind of bugged out. I was a little bit like, what? But we can make two nice triangles right here. And oh boy, I sure do love triangles, especially right triangles. They make all the math that much easier. And the cool thing about these two triangles is going to be that this distance right here, that is not going to fit there. I'm going to scoot this down a little bit. Scoot. So that distance right there is equal to this distance right here on this triangle. That's 21 degrees, 52 degrees. All right, so it may start looking like good stuff to you, but maybe not, just because of this letter D here, and we don't actually know what that is. We do know, however, this distance right here, this is 1. You may be asking, 1 what? Well, I'm going to call this unit 1 green building height, right? I'll call it green building height. There we go. All right, so if you can see in this diagram right here, the length of this triangle, right, of this side of the triangle is equal to the height of this building right here. So we're kind of using some made up units here, but this is actually going to help us solve the problem, I think. So if we want to find length D in terms of the green building height, we can use tangent. Tangent of 52 degrees is going to be equal to 1 over D. We can rearrange that equation a little bit. 1 over tangent 52, that's going to give us 0.78. All right. So now that we know that that is 0.78, this may still not be looking too fantastic yet, except we know that this is 0.78. I guess I should put my units here. This is green building heights, right? Green building. All right, so now we can find this distance right here, which I'll call x, in terms of the green building. So we can use tangent of 21 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. We can solve for x. And that is going to give us that x is quite nearly 0.3 green building height lengths. All right, so you may be asking, why are we using this green building height as our units right here? So if we add these two sides right here up, this one right here, plus this one right here, this is going to give us this distance right here. There we go. This distance right here in terms of the green building height. So 1 plus 1.3, or excuse me, 1 plus 0.3 is going to equal 1.3 times larger than the green building height. And that is what we are looking for. We don't actually need to know the height of the blue building, just how much bigger it is than the green building. Oops. Seems I've run out of space down here. But, alright. I'll squeak it in there. Alright, and there you have it. There's your final answer.